Hey, welcome in. Come here real quick, let me show you something. So over here we got Decked with their new boxes that they just came out with. We're unboxing them for the first time here at Hawks Outdoors in the store. Want to show you their new colors and the variations that they have. So up first, got this bad boy. Light gray. Where's that? Half rack. The new. Got this nice little army green as well. And everyone's delight. Good old orange here as well. So gray, green, and orange. We also have that same combination here in their sixer. Orange, boom, gray, good old green again. And then for the bonus, y'all, check this out. So in the orange, we actually have, for the first time here, improved first aid kit. So looking inside here, move your top tray, you got all your first aid gear in there. And what's cool about this as well is that in the event that you end up having to use it, Decked will replace that entire first aid kit for you. So y'all know where to find us, y'all know where we're at. Hawks Outdoors, 210-251-2882. Give us a call, shoot us a text, and we'll see y'all.